This week on Philippine Biography.
Ka na magaling sa kapwa mo, hindi ka magkakamali. At yung blessings na binigay sa taas, suklian mo pa ng mas doble na maibibigay mo na blessings sa mga kababayan mo o sa kapwa mo.
Laguna may be a cliche for most city dwellers, but in this episode, we're raising the stakes and betting on a side of Laguna that most people haven't discovered. Get to learn a couple of new things. 1. How they create their infamous products. And 2. The story of the successful man that is Laguna's 4th District Representative Edgar Egay San Luis. All that and more, only on Philippine Biography.